Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Maschine is not a DAW in terms of what is considered a DAW nowadays. Reason, for example, called itself a DAW, but no one considered it to be one until Reason 6 was released. Maschine is about as much a DAW as software like Geist or BPM.17 February 2015.
Take our lead.
No, Maschine is designed for extremely tight integration between hardware and software. While you can run the Maschine software without the hardware connected, it is an integrated system that combines the hands-on performance of an instrument with the power of software.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Maschine MK3, Maschine Studio and Maschine Jam all come with the full Maschine application, the full factory library, 6 GB, and complete 12 Select, provided as a download upon hardware registration, which contains over 25 GB of instruments and effects. Full details of all the differences can be found here.
Let's help you make your mark.
For Maschine users, the ability to use Ableton Live and Maschine seamlessly could make a lot of producers and live performers happy. Now, unlike working with Ableton Push, the setup isn't entirely seamless, and there's not total integration of hardware and software. 19 April 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Ableton. Think of Ableton as 90% of a DAW. It has most of the stuff you want in a DAW out of the box. Maschine is about 50 to 60% of a DAW. In some ways, I actually prefer Maschine to Ableton. 26 June 2012.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You don't necessarily need Maschine. I enjoy how you can easily pull MIDI and audio out of tracks into your DAW no problem. But seeing as you already have Ableton and Push, you'd be best to just look for some really good pads that are on par with Maschine's pads instead. 5 May 2020.
Take our lead.
How to set up Maschine. Step 1. Download, install, and run native access. Download, Mac, download, Win. Step 2. Enter serial number in native access. Select Add Serial, and enter your Maschine serial number as shown on the flyer in your product box or on the underside of your hardware unit. Step 3. Install software.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.